Hello guys, I am Ankita. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Nykaa had a sale in the month of February, and although I am a little late to the party, but I thought of showing whatever I have purchased from Nykaa sale this year. Some of these things I was eyeing from a very long time. So let's start with skincare first. Got this Dr. Althia's Jelly Mist. Now I have used it a little bit, and that's the reason you can see that dent in the bottle. But it looks jelly if I will show you from close, and it's not liquid. It doesn't move. But the moment you spray it, it actually converts into a very fine mist and it hydrates your face to the fullest. It's a very subtle glow to the skin, and I use it in the morning and in the night as well to make my skin look fresh, and I want that glow from within kind of look. The main purpose of this mist is to add that subtle glow to your skin and to hydrate and moisturize your skin. It is absolutely non-greasy, non-tacky. I recommend to the oily skin girlies as well. Next product is Dr. Althea 345 Moisturizing Relief Cream Mist. It's for all skin types, and the main purpose of this mist is hydrate and calm the skin. So even if you are somebody with oily skin or combination skin, this will not irritate your skin. This will hydrate your skin. Also, it comes in two layers. You have to shake it well so that both the layers mix well and then spray it on your face. I have oily to combination skin, and this did not give me acne or did not make my skin patchy, sticky. In fact, I had a pimple right here which was really big. When I started spraying on this, in 3-4 days I started seeing that my pimple was actually calming a little bit. So I definitely agree that it does calm your skin down. My last product in the skincare category is 345 Dr. Althea Relief Cream, which is for all skin types and is hydrating and calming. It's a very lightweight water kind of texture that actually calms my skin a lot. Now it says blemish relief. It does not surely relieve your blemishes, but it's very calming on the skin. So if you are somebody with oily or acne prone skin, it's not heavy on the skin, and it's loaded with ceramides and panthenol, niacinamide with leaf water, which is tea tree. So it has all hydrating ingredients which will calm your skin down, especially if you have acne prone skin. Now my last product in skincare category is this Equal Berry NAD and Peptide Boosting Serum. Before you ask me what is NAD, let me tell you, NAD is a molecule involved in cell energy and skin repair. So it improves your skin recovery, supports your skin barrier, strengthens it, and reduces dullness and tired looking skin. It's also loaded with peptides that signal your skin to produce more collagen. So it does improve skin firmness and reduce fine lines. So it reduces redness, it improves your skin barrier, gives you deep hydration in the skin. It's been a few days that I've been using this serum, and I can tell you that it does help you to strengthen the skin barrier, because this pimple right here was a little bigger, but with constant usage I can see that the redness and the pimples started calming, which definitely means it is protecting my skin barrier. Highly recommend trying this one serum from Equal Berry. In makeup category, I picked up this Etude House new launched tint, which is a fixing tint in the shade 01 Stepping Closer. Now the shade is a little too light for my skin tone, but I'm going to make it work by using a lip liner or maybe a coat of lipstick below this. But the texture, if I talk about the texture, it's very smooth, it's very velvety, unlike any other Korean tint. Also, I really wanted them to launch a little darker shades, but all the shades are on the lighter side. Even the darker shades are on the lighter side, to be honest. Also, it has a very cool applicator that hugs your lips perfectly. I think you should try to first watch YouTube swatches and then get the most darkest shade, because the shades are very light for Indian skin tones in my opinion. Is it worth trying? I would say yes, it is. I love the applicator, I love the formulation, I also love how smoothly it blurs the fine lines on my lips. My next pick in the makeup category is this wee lip tint, that is Stay Fit Lip Tint. I got it in the shade Pink Lavender, and it's a very cute looking bottle. It comes in so many shade ranges that you can literally choose what will suit your skin tone and then order one. It also leaves a nice stain on your lips. This shade, if you are around my skin tone, then I highly recommend trying this shade because it's very subtle. It's very Korean like lip tint. Next category is some body products. I picked up some body lotions or body creams, I should say, that I wanted to try from the longest time. And I think this was the best time to restock on some body care products, especially Bath and Body Works, that went in sale for a very solid 899 or 999 kind of sale. My first product is Warm Vanilla Sugar from Bath and Body Works. It has warm and sweet fragrance with notes of creamy vanilla, soft sugar and a hint of white orchid. It smells cozy and comforting, like a light vanilla dessert that lingers softly on the skin. It's not very moisturizing, especially if you are a dry skin girly. You may not really like the moisturizing. But if you are somebody with a normal skin combination, oily skin, then this will become your best friend. I also picked up this snowflakes and cashmere. Now I am somebody who's crazy for cashmere scents because it has a touch of that woody note and it's with vanilla. So imagine when vanilla and cashmere they combine together. If you are a girly with a combination to normal skin, then I definitely recommend you trying this fragrance from them. It actually smells very cozy, very woody with touch of vanilla. It has that perfect blend that I was searching from the longest time from a lot of body care brands. Then we have Viva Vanilla. Now this smells very beautiful. It's not your vanilla, but vanilla with a little floral touch. You simply are a vanilla girly and you love collecting vanilla scents, fragrances, I recommend trying this one from Bath and Body Works. I've also become a little crazy for pistachio scents, and that's the reason I picked up Pistachio Glaze from Bath and Body Works. It actually smells very nutty, like nutty pistachio fragrance. So if you are somebody who loves this kind of fragrance, I highly recommend getting your hands on this. The only perfume that I got is from Kylie Cosmetics Cosmic 2.0. First of all, can we appreciate that very beautiful packaging? You spray it first, it opens with some apple notes and then settles into some ambery notes. It starts with apple, then the amber and the sandalwood takes the back seat. So the dry down is amber and sandalwood. Do I like it? Yes, I love it. But if you ask me the comparison between Cosmic Original and 2.0, I actually love the original a little more because this is strong on the amber note. If you love amber, then I highly recommend trying this one. It was a very short vlog because I quickly wanted to just show you what all I have shopped from Nykaa Pink Love sale. I did try to set a budget, and that's the reason I was only buying things that I wanted to buy from the longest time, because you can pick up a lot of things when you shop in the sales rather than paying the full price and getting lesser products. So hope you enjoyed this haul, and if you have anything for me, any questions, you can please put those questions down, and this will also motivate me to upload more videos. Also, before leaving, please do not forget to like, save and subscribe my channel and hit that bell notification.